big old problems in this big old world. I'm a-reading in the paper this morning. Hey, Watergate, no Hanoi Jane, I better take a working man's warning. As long as I got 18 on the road, I'm making my load on time. They can kiss my grits, I got a nicotine fit, and I'm rolling on down the line. I don't give a truck, I gotta make a buck. I got a woman at home with a mortgage loan, a house full of babies that's driving her crazy. So buddy, if you're stuck, well, you're plumb out of luck. I don't give a truck. Well, I pull my rig up to top of the tank, and the price of fuel's a dadgum crime. If the government knew what they were putting us through, well, I wouldn't be cursing this line. If it wasn't for me and this OCB pushing these goods around, well, that economy would be mad at me when I decided just to shut them all down. I don't give a truck, I gotta make a buck. I got a woman at home with a mortgage loan, house full of babies since they're driving her crazy. So buddy, if you're stuck, hey, you're plumb out of luck. I don't give a truck. Old speed trap down, moving 90 with a hammer down. Oh, when a smoky clock me doing 103, and my brakes were nowhere to be found. That fuel delay is the reason I made a criminal decision of fate. I'm with the union on the picket, and I'm gonna get a ticket, and the smoky's gonna have to wait. I don't give a truck, I gotta make a buck. I got a woman at home with a mortgage loan, a house full of babies since they're driving her crazy. So buddy, if you're stuck, well, you're plumb out of luck. I don't give a truck.